Let's talk about a homeowner's absolute worst nightmare: a burst pipe, a flooded basement. They're stressed, their home is at risk, and they need someone they can trust, like right now. Today, we're diving into how you become that person. And it all starts with the #1 credential in the restoration business, the IICRC Water Restoration Technician Certification, or WRT for short.
Think about it. When a disaster like a flood hits, a customer's world is completely upside down. They need to know that the person they call is a real pro. So how do you actually prove that you have the skills, the knowledge, and the ability to handle the job correctly and, maybe most importantly, safely?
For thousands of technicians out there, the answer starts right here. The WRT certification. You see, it's not just some piece of paper. It is the absolute foundation of a credible, successful career in water damage restoration.
So in this explainer, we're going to cover all the essentials. We'll look at why you should get certified, who's setting the standards, what's actually on the exam, and finally, the exact steps you need to take to earn your WRT cert.
Okay, let's dive into the big one first. Why bother? What is the real, tangible value of getting WRT certified?
At its core, the WRT certification is really all about mastering the fundamentals. It teaches you the actual science of drying, psychrometrics if you want to get technical. It prepares you to handle literally everything from a massive flood to a simple plumbing leak. This is the kind of knowledge that prevents a tiny mistake from turning into a huge mold problem later on. It's truly essential, whether you're brand new to the field or you've been doing this for years.
Now, what's really cool about this is how all these benefits just kind of stack on top of each other. See, when you gain credibility with a formal certification, you're also enhancing your technical skills. That skill boost is what pushes your career forward. It's what takes you from being just a technician to a lead tech or even a project manager. And it all comes back to building confidence with customers who are trusting you with their homes.
So, who is the organization behind all this? Let's talk about the group that basically sets the bar for the entire industry.
For about 50 years now, the IICRC has been the leading authority, and they're an independent, nonprofit body, which is huge. Their entire focus is just on making the industry better. They're not a school trying to sell you something, they're a standards-developing organization. That means the WRT certification is built on a solid foundation of proven, industry-wide best practices.
And this just perfectly shows their commitment. The ICRC's Code of Ethics isn't just a friendly suggestion, it's a pledge. It demands honesty, following the rules, and being totally transparent. And that last point, that's the key. Requiring a certified tech on every single job site makes sure the standards are actually being used out in the real world, protecting both you and the customer.
Okay, so let's get down to it. How does all this translate into the exam itself? What do you really need to know to pass this thing?
All right, here are the quick facts. The exam fee is $80. It's a series of multiple choice questions, and you need to get a 75% or better to pass. And this isn't a one-and-done thing. To keep your certification active and show your skills are up to date, you'll need to do 14 hours of continuing education every 4 years. It's really a commitment to always be learning.
The exam pretty much covers the entire life of a water damage job. You're going to get tested on crucial health and safety rules, the science of stuff like mold and bacteria, and the specific physics of drying different materials, because drying wood is a whole different ballgame than drying concrete, right? Plus, you've got to master your equipment and know how to properly inspect and monitor the job from beginning to end.
And this is exactly what we mean by health and safety in the real world. This isn't just about memorizing some rules from a textbook. It's about knowing how to do a risk assessment on the spot and using the right PPE to protect yourself in some pretty gnarly environments, just like the one you see here.
All right, so you're ready. You want to take the next step. What does that journey to getting certified actually look like? Really straightforward 4-step process. First, you find an IICRC-approved school. That's important because it guarantees the instructor is teaching you the official, correct material. Next, you register for everything directly on the IICRC website. Then, you go and attend the training. It's usually a multi-day course where you just soak up all the knowledge you'll need. And finally, you prove what you know by passing that exam. Look, at the end of the day, getting your WRT certification is about so much more than just passing a test. It's a real investment in your career, a commitment to being a true professional, and your most direct path to becoming that trusted expert we talked about in the beginning. So the real question isn't just how to get certified, but when are you going to start your journey to becoming the pro that homeowners really need?
For free IICRC WRT practice test, you can either click the link in the description or simply scan the QR code on the screen.